How to freeze location on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the ways on how you can freeze location on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to update your app. Make sure your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Once you've done that, you can open now the Snapchat. And here you can click to the map section by clicking the map icon on the bottom left corner. And next thing you want to do is to click the settings icon on the top right corner. As you can see right here, if your ghost mode is turned on, your friends won't see your last active location. And that should freeze your location on Snapchat. The second way is to go home again and then hold on to your Snapchat app. And you can see here the app info. You can click this. And here you want to go to app permissions. And you can click the location tab or option. And choose don't allow. And that's how to freeze location on Snapchat. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.